Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have gone to Ollie's. They had a great sale and I got myself 8 of the Series 4 mini brands. And you can unbox rare frozen moments. Now, when I opened the Foodie mini brands, hold on, I think I lost it. I got one of the rare coins, which is actually made of solid metal. It's actually rather heavy. So, we're going to see if we can get one of those kind of things today. Now, I have not opened up the rare or any of these before, so I got 8 of them. So, we're going to see what we get today. Let me just grab my scissors from up on the table, so give me one moment. This is going to be really fun. You're going to hear a lot of jingling. And for where I'm going to put all these, I have a little bucket here. Okay, for where I'm going to do. Okay. And my assistant might get in the way. She's my little kitty. Alright, first one up. I have my scissors in case these end up not wanting to open. They're $3.99 each, which is a good price. That was a clean rip, sort of. Yeah, see, these don't really like to cleanly rip off. So this is gonna be a process. Now I don't know how to edit, so it's gonna be a long video. How you guys day been? Been good? If you hear me calling out to someone, probably my stepfather. Now I do know how to pause, so I might pause the video to cut out parts of me yelling. Okay, there we go. We got most of the white off. Of this first layer. Now that was actually a very clean peel. Okay. Now there are 5 little things here. Let's peel this off. Now we can now it pulls out like this, but you can also just rip the things off here. So let's start out with this one. Where's the tab thing? Oh ho ho, oh there, so I was supposed to say we're missing a tab. So, first one actually has our little list, so we can ignore this. So our list, Series 4. So we have ultra rare and rare, ultra rare and super rare and rare, collector's case exclusive, advent calendar exclusive, mini mart exclusive, and mini convenience store exclusive. In this, we can actually get the Bitcoin, as well as the Bitcoin bag, which a lot of people say is unrare, the card scanner, the bank, the little cart, the little cash register, as well as the little shells. You need some monies as well. And it looks like you can get a lot of these cool little mini brands. We can get frozen moments. The frozen moments are right there. So it looks like we have two different types of chocolate syrup, one of which is golden, as well as pasta sauce, it looks like. Tell me if I'm wrong there. We also got a nail polish bottle and a Pringles bottle. Okay. We also have Gold Door, which has golden versions, glow in the darks and metallics. And then we have the commons, which is all of those commons right there. We have a couple diamonds, a couple stars, and grocery carts. And then it will tell us what is rare and not rare, which is everything that's glitter based. So, let's see what we first got. We first got Morningstar Farms original sausage patty. I am so sorry if you can't, there you go. You saw that for a little bit. Morningstar Farms is actually something my mom eats. She eats their fake bacon, or fakin, as she calls it. Okay. Oh, I need a pen. Autistic me being weird by squishing this. Give me a moment. And, I just enjoy looking at my background again while I look for a pen. Okay, didn't have to look at it for long because I had a pen right on my desk. Okay, so that is a common. Ooh, I have a flat bag right here. That was for our birthday gift. So we got number 39. So let's just make him with the face. Pop off another. Okay. So the next one here we got is Teddy Grahams. Now mind you, some things do have things in them, some things don't. I would not recommend cutting open your mini brands. See the Teddy Grahams chocolatey chip. Now I don't see them on this first page. There they are. They're another common. Where'd my pen go? So they look actually rather adorable. Oh, and they even have like a little thing on the back where you can look at little activities and stuff. They have really rather details on the back for like a little tiny prints for calories and stuff. Oh, even stuff on the side as well. Even little brands and stuff. It really works. Alright. Oh, it looks like we have another small and two big, which is rather interesting. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, there we go. The melon juice did not want to work. Oh, okay. Oh, the bubble gum. Okay, so I actually saw this get opened. IRL. I actually saw this get open. So, before anybody else tries to open anything like this, you hear that? There is plastic in here that is like a bunch of bubble gum all mixed up. Within this. But you're not meant to open it. The reason why it's in there is so it sounds as if there is bubble gum in there. If you don't know, the little bubble gum cases, if you shake it, it sounds like there's gum in there. That's why they have the little plastic in there, the plastic gum cases in there. If you want to see what it actually looks like, I would recommend shorts that have this in here. Just watch what it looks like within. Don't cut open your own little bazooka gum, okay? I'm just saying. But there is a little clump within there. You can kind of see the little... Yeah, right there. You can kind of see... Yeah, you can see the little bit of big chunk of plastic in there. That's the chunk of plastic. that is hiding inside. If you actually do saw open the lid, you can get it out, but I would not recommend it. I repeat, I would not recommend it. So that's cool. We got a little bazooka bubble gum, which I'm going to keep intact. Alright. Okay, so this one is rather light. Oh! I thought you could open it. This is a little... Oh, 49 flavors. Okay, so this is actually, just soon, if you guys are wondering if there's anything in here, no. Look in there. There is nothing in there. It's completely empty. Don't even try to open this. Completely empty. Just look in the bottom. There's nothing in there. It's just completely empty. It's just a red lid. Completely empty. This is a little jelly bean container. It's my little assistant, Oliver. He's my kitty. No, you want to play, buddy? But not right now. Oh my god. Okay, well, you just got cat butt in your face. I'm so sorry, viewers. Well, now that my cat has gotten out of the way. 49 flavors. Jelly Belly. Jelly beans. But again, there is nothing inside. It is literally just an empty case. And again, I would not recommend it. Though some, like this box here, can be opened. I will do this. It is literally just cardboard pieces. Or, like these, is literally just foam. I would not recommend it. Even if the bubble gum, that is bubblegum mold in there, it's just to make it sound like there is bubblegum inside. Alright, final one for this one. We got something. We got the cart. Alright, people. This was a pain in the butt first time with the yellow version. So it looks like it's pink and white. Okay, so it looks like I was putting it all backwards. Luckily, since I have built this before, I do know how to build it without breaking it. Hey, oh. There we go. Haha. Okay, that piece didn't want to go in for a second. So there's the little basket. Okay, I don't remember where this space goes. Okay, that goes in the front end of the cart. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. And there. Oops, I dropped it. Here is the cart. One second, my assistant is trying to eat plastic. Sir, you may not eat this. My assistant likes to eat everything. Anyway, here is the cart. Very pretty and pink. It does come with some stickers, which I don't put on the cart for reasons. But here is the cart. Very pretty and bright pink, unlike the blue and yellow version, like the first series. But pretty nonetheless. So we'll shift that right there and toss the stickers in there. The plastic will be recycled. As for the other plastic, it will go in the other one. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video and basically edit out me opening another one of these. And I'll just open the rest of these and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the next one open rather easily, so it didn't take me 20 minutes to open it. So let's continue. So the first one wasn't that bad. We got 4 items rather nicely. Oh wait, did I not? Oh, I didn't. Hold up, I didn't write down. So we got 4 items rather nicely, and we got the little basket. Now, the little basket is just meant to hold it. Okay, so I actually have to go for a minute. So sorry about that. I had to warn my cousin about an ant's nest under our fire pit that she was going to use. You might be hearing that. That is my cousin crying. Sorry about that. So we did get some nice ones, and we did get the little cart, as I showed you. So let's see what we're going to get in this one. I promise you, everything is fine. My cousin is just a little whiny. So it turns out my little cousin ended up hitting her hand on the door, and she is fine. Our old door is just a bit rickety and it ended up slamming. She is perfectly fine. It is just a bruise. If any of y'all were worried, I closed the door. She is perfectly fine. We are icing it. At the moment, it'll be fine. So now, let's continue. Got 5 more little wrigglies. I swear, my auntie can find stuff fun. So the first one we popped off is this one. Another big round guy. Oh, and it looks like we got a double. We might have another. I do hope that not all 8 of these are the exact same. There was a big box full. I will be so pissed if I grabbed 8 of the exact same. But we got another one of these little guys. And again, as I said, it is empty. Okay, thank God. So it is not the same. Thank the Lord. It is not the same. We got the shelf. Give me a moment to put it together. Alright, so I got it together, even though this might not be accurate as the picture. It is accurate enough for my shelving. This is the shelf. Now, I'm not sure if the shelf is actually supposed to stand properly like that. It fell over. So, let's see. So, the shelf and the cart are both common, so I might as well cross those off as well. I was just worried that I might have gotten double. But we're good. It also came with barcode stickers. Very cool. Stick those in there as well. It always comes with directions. If you hear that noise, I'm so sorry. I have an alarm on. Next, we have this one. Oh, we got another double. Teddy Grahams. Again. So, we might be getting more doubles than I thought. Oh, please don't. Oh, that sounds like, yep, another bazooka gum. Again, do not open this. This is literally just plastic in there as well. Another one. Oh, wait, nope. We got a different one. As you can see by it falling out. We do have another one of these, which I will be throwing over there. We got a different one. This is Bomb Burrito. And I do love that it actually says here at the bottom, beef, bean, and cheese sauce. I love how it says at the bottom. That's actually kind of funny. Now, it actually is wrapped up like a burrito, the little cotton inside. But like I'm saying, it is literally just cotton. It is not a burrito. So, let's see. Where is the burrito? Burrito. So, we got the green one. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to pause again, and I'm going to open another one. That was almost a full double. Alright, the blue side seems to always peel off very simply. Yet the white paper never really wants to peel off that well. So we got another 5. So we're going to see, let's see, which one wants to pop off. Which one wants to pop off? Which one wants to pop off? So this one? Oh no, is it this one? What wants to pop off? What wants to pop off? Come on, does one of you want to pop off? Nope, this one wants to pop off. Okay. So let's see what we get. Oh. Okay, so. Oh! We got some money! So money is also found in here. We actually have a good little wad. Now I would prefer keeping it in, keeping it in the little paper. Little tape. This is the $50 wad. It's all American-based money. So I'm going to put all my money in a little shopping cart. We also have another one of these little lists. And it looks like we have drumstick squishies. I've never heard of this. If any of y'all have heard of this, please tell me in the comments, because I've never heard of it. Swizzles. Original raspberry milk flavor. Yeah, I've never heard of them. Probably foreign, I don't know. But they're on here. Right underneath the peeps. But that's rather nice. We actually also got money. Let's go on the back. We got the $50. Because there's 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, and 100s. Which is rare that we got the 50s, because they can pop up anywhere. So next, let's see if we can get this one. Oh, nope, never mind. We got this one. Oh, okay. We got another one. We got Fruit Loops. Oops, I'm tossing it at everything. Okay, it looks like the corner got mashed up a little bit. I'm so sorry. Anyway, we got Fruit Loops, and it's actually got the little maze stuff on the back. It's very sweet. Best in every bite. Now, this looks like to be an older box rather than the newer box. Because it doesn't seem to have... Yeah, because it doesn't seem to have the new on the loopy side thing going on. I do feel bad for the corner of the box that got smished. Because it was on a crevice when I opened it. I'm so sorry. So we got slightly crushed box of Fruit Loops. So where is the box of Fruit Loops? Brox. I am losing my mind today. We got little juices as well that we need to be on the lookout for that I like as well. There's also a box of Kellogg's that we need Frosted Flakes, sorry, that we need to look out for as well. Let's see, let's try to get this little guy out as my channel is not for kids because I cuss a lot. There we go. So we got this one out. Oh! Okay, so we actually got one of these, which is actually, which we need to check because this might actually be very interesting. This is the nail polish. nail polish is what you gotta look out for, because this, I didn't mean to fling that. This is actually one of the rarer ones. So this is actually just the common. There is actually two different other types of nail polish. There is the golden and the frozen moment. So we gotta be on the lookout for those as well. But right now we already have the I keep dropping. Already have the common. And it already actually looks rather glitzy. Oh, Revolve. Yep. Revolve. Revlon, I think. Revlon. I forgot how to pronounce that brand. Ow, I've hurt my finger in the process. But that is a really nice one. It's covered in plastic, and no, you cannot pop it out. It does not have a brush. Yeah, it does not have a brush. If you look at the bottom, you see it does not have a brush. I'll put that closer. It does not have a brush. So no, please do not break your mini brands. It makes me so sad. They're really adorable. Oh, and there's also a purple one here that is only an exclusive. Only the diamond is a collector's case exclusive. So, collector's cases. So I have 1 out of 4. Also, I'm just going to rip the plastic off of this. I try to keep as much plastic off of these as I can. So we have 2 more of the big boys. There we go. So let's get this big boy. Oh! Okay, no way. No way. Did we just get a rare up in this bitch? No way, just did. Okay, I actually need to put the sticker on this one or else it's not going to make sense. Oh, we almost got a rare. We have got the card scanner. So, okay, I need my tweezers. Hold up. Okay, let me just pause the video for a minute. Found them. So, ow. So the reason why I use tweezers is so that I don't mess up. Oh dear, where is the... Okay. Okay, how is this supposed to go? Okay, so I have it upside down. There we go. So I don't mess up the sticker. There. See, look at how perfect that looks. I swear tweezers are one of the best inventions for this. And then you take the little credit card and go boop. In and out. How cute is that? We got a little credit card scanner. So I'm just going to sit that over there. So I've gotten 3 of the item pieces here. That is awesome. I literally am only 3 or 4 things in. And I'm only 3 things in. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. I know this video is going long. I'm so sorry. Alright. Final one for this. Oh, that's all in my lap. We have Pop-Tarts. Cookies and cream. Very adorable. Oh my god, they got the 4-piece Pop-Tart in the back. Oh, that's so cute. I love when they have that little detail. That's adorable. Alright, so where's my little thing? So now the one thing I'm looking for is the bank piece, because I like that, plus the coins. Now you got the little pickle tart. Alright, so now I'm going to pause it again to unwrap another one. Alright, so we got another one open here. So we gotta unpop all these. Unpop one of these guys. So let's, because it looks like, yeah, this has the thing in it. Okay, so we got something new here. Pop this out. Okay, so it's Rice Krispie Treats original treat sheet. Very interesting. The original treat sheet. This has some little recipe stuff on the back. Great for decorating. Oh, I just flicked that behind me. Or beside me. So it looks like it has some on the section. That's actually very adorable. A little bit squishy. Treat sheet. I have it sideways on here. I don't know why. Where did my pen go? Where did my pen go? I lose my pen half of the time. Now the next one. This one seems to be, oh, it's a jar. Why do I keep going in my lap? It is a jar of original hot sauce. Chochula, I believe that's how pronounced. I actually don't use this myself. My sister probably does, but she's a hot sauce wizard. This is actually a very cute one. There's nothing in here, so please do not chop off the top of this. Very adorable. Hot sauce is not over here, so it's probably on the back. Yes, there it is, next to a honey jar, apparently. There is a lot of random items in here, as well as dispensers of stuff. So far, so good. This one doesn't sound like there's much in here. Oh, we got a third duplicate. Again, we have got the Teddy Grahams. I really think the Teddy Grahams have it out for me. I should have bought more of these. What you gonna do? We have the shelf once again. So I'm gonna pause it again while I freaking put this together. Alright, again, I have shoved this together. We got 2 of them now. 2 different heights. I don't know if I messed it up or not. You can shove them in at different heights. So the shelves can be different heights if they need to be. Again, they come with the little barcodes, which you can shove over here. Little pamphlet to put it together. I have one more of these. Oh, left. We got another duplicate. The jelly beans. And again, as I said, there is nothing inside. Do not open them. Alright. That was the 4th. Time for the last 4 of these. Alright, so we got another one here. We have opened 4 so far, and we are opening our 5th one. Yeah. So first thing here we got is, oh, Icy Sparkles. Icy Sparkles. We got some sparkly Itsukatsu rice noodles. So let's go to the sparkles. Okay. We have a metallic, people. We got a metallic one. Now, you cannot open these. I swear to God, there's nothing in there. But we do have a metallic. I repeat, we have a metallic. So we got one of our first rare ones here, metallic. Yes, the metallics are rare. We got first rare one. That is very shiny. It's very interesting. Interesting with the pink cap as well. The other 2 shinies are a Slurpee and Sun-Made Raisins. Sun-Made Raisins. So that is very cool. We have a metallic. Next we have this. Oh! Okay, so you can peel this off, but I'm not gonna peel it off. Because that'd be stupid. Gummy Yum Surprise. Which, these are gummy eggs that have gummy on the outside, and then you open the egg and you get a toy on the inside. Where is this? Oh my god, where is this on the list? Oh, there it is. One moment. So we have gotten it. Very interesting one too. I think we have to build something here. Oh, no. We have diapers. Luxury diapers. And there is nothing in here, by the way. Just so you know. Yeah, see, there's nothing in there. It's just an empty box. Little luxury diapers. We have not seen any more money, which is very interesting. On to the next one. Oh, we have an Almond Joy. Little squishy palette. Like I said, if this was a real one, it would be hard, so. Almond Joy. Very interesting. Ugh. Oh, looks like we have confusion. The Almond Joy is not in this. Oh, no, there it is. They have the Almond Joy and the mounds next to each other. It's very interesting. We have one more left, stuck to the plastic thingy. My hands are a little sweaty. Oh, and you got another bowl of ramen. This also has a plastic thingy that you can peel off, but I would not recommend it. If you want to see these peeled off, any of these open, I recommend looking it up on YouTube, because I believe there is some crazy person out there who has violated these guys and has ripped this poor thing open. I have seen the videos. Please just go look it up on YouTube. Don't ruin your little poor mini brands. Unless you have doubles. So you can keep one just pristine and normal. Anyway. The bowl is hot and spicy with shrimp, which is a very good flavor. Very sweet. And I'm pretty sure if you lift this, it's literally just going to be the white lid. Just saying. We have 3 more left.